Hey guys, Matthew here. In the first two episodes on this channel, we saw how to get set up, organized, and begin recording and sharing content with our students. In episode 3, we will look at some of the features that are built into the Panopto interface. First, we will see how the pause feature can be used to alleviate some of the stress that goes along with trying to record the perfect video in one take. Second, we will see how to insert quizzes into our videos to help promote student engagement. And last, we will see how to insert captions. Let's go ahead and get started. What is great about the pause feature is that it allows you some peace of mind in knowing that you don't have to be perfect in one take or else start the whole recording over. To demonstrate how the pause feature works, let's say you are recording a screen capture in which you will be working multiple example problems. As you are working through your example problems, you can utilize the pause function to transition from one problem to the next. When you finish one problem, use the hotkey F9 to pause the video. Then, when you are ready to begin again, use the hotkey F9 to resume the video. And the final product will automatically insert a fade effect from the point you clicked pause to the point you clicked resume. Let's say you are in the middle of working your third or fourth example problem and well into the screen capture, and you realize that you've made a mistake. Instead of starting the recording completely over, hit pause, reset to the beginning of the last example problem you were working, and then resume the recording from here. When the video uploads, you can go in and cut the unwanted portion out of the video. In the editing interface, find the portion of the video you want to cut. Click the scissor icon and snip that portion of the video. Be sure and publish your changes before leaving the editing interface. Adding a quiz to your video is a great way to promote engagement, provide built-in accountability, and allow students an opportunity to self-check their progress. In the editing interface, position the cursor where you would like the quiz to appear in the video and click on Quizzes, and then Add a Quiz. There are 3 question types to choose from, and the quiz can be a combination of these question types if you would like. Whichever question type you choose, the layout to enter the information is the same. Enter the question here, answers here, and feedback for the correct response here. Continue adding questions, and then click on Done. There will be a few options for you to either select or deselect, depending on your preferences. Click Finish, and you have added your quiz to your video. Be sure and click Publish before you leave the editing interface. This is how your students will encounter the quiz in the video. Panopto uses voice recognition software to create captions for videos that have narration. The Captions feature is accessed through the editing interface. Click on Captions, and then click on Import Automatic Captions. The voice recognition software works quite well, but there will be some mistakes that need to be manually corrected. Also, punctuation and grammatical issues will need to be manually addressed as well. Once you are done making corrections, be sure and click on Publish before leaving the editing interface. Students can access these captions in one of 2 ways. You will need to explicitly communicate to them in some way how to access these captions. The first option is to click the Captions tab on the left-hand side of the screen while viewing the video. This option displays the captions like so. The second option is the more traditional closed caption option, which is accessed here. Clicking the CC icon brings up the list of options, and then you must click Show Captions. Then the student can change the formatting of the captions with all the options that you see here. I hope that you've enjoyed this episode on the Panopto tutorial channel, and I hope you know something now that you didn't know 5 minutes ago. Until next time, I'm Matthew. I'll see you later.